So your boy just seen a new update, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna check it out and give my opinion on it. This tunnel look pretty nice. I ain't gonna cap. The hood smile for life. Yeah. Whoa. Damn, this look pretty nice. Bunch of niggas here, but damn, the school big. Got a basketball court and everything. Yo. Can you close? Can you lock it? Damn, you can lock it. Bro, I'm gonna put a couple people up in here. Surgeon mask, pepper spray. I'm guessing this is the office. The Hood Central High School. Oh, we got a pencil. Your boy got a pencil. Principal's office. Bruh. What is this? I wish you could power punch with this. It'd be pretty cool. We got a lunchroom. This is very oh, they got an ATM too. This is very accurate. They do be having this in schools. I don't think they got an ATM, but like, you know. Cash register, of course. Oh, we got a classroom. School speed limit 900. Nobody gives a shit. 2 + 2, 4. Blah blah blah. If you could write on the board, bro, this would be very nice. But you can't do none of that shit. They could build he could build a school, but it's still, get your ass over here. Gonna walk over here low like that. Put your ass, don't say dude to me. Just finna get in the locker. Fuck out of here. I am a bully. This is school, nigga. Fuck out of here. Damn right I'm a bully. Bullying your mama cheeks too. Yeah. Sit your ass down. Sit your ass down.
Damn ambulance! Where the ambulance? Why the man body still right there? Call the damn ambulance!
Get back up, nigga. Fuck out of here. Get your ass up here. You ain't escaping nothing. He said, please, I'll give you money. Yeah, give me that damn lunch money. Let me get that lunch money. Give me that damn lunch money. Oh, this dude really... Oh, fuck. Lunch money now. Or your ass going right back in the locker. Your ass gonna go right back in the locker, my nigga. Now I'm okay. Damn, he broke. I only got a little. Yeah, y'all has better little me some. Or you gonna little back in the locker. Do like I give 2 fucks. That you got 135K. Looks like your ass is gonna have to reset. He's gonna still be up in there trying to fight his way out. Oh, this is a library. Oh, this pretty nice. Can you see it? Damn, you can't even see it. It'd be pretty good if you could see it. Did he leave? And this nigga still on. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Fuck. No. Get your ass on, nigga. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was finna stay in the locker. Stay in the locker. And if your ass help him, I'm killing you. Can you lock? Bruh. Alright, good. I'm aside. You know, the staircases are... Is this my friend? Damn, niggas already shooting in school, bruh. A whole school. This staircase kinda wide, my nigga. I wish it was like closed in a little bit. And here we got a school shooter in here. fucking school shooter. Also, more lockers. Is that shit, my nigga? What the fuck? Ew. Ew. More shit. Cool. Oh, police. Whatever. It is locked. We got the nurse's room. Bro, this shit really locked. I'm gonna try to glitch in. I'm gonna glitch in. I will be right back when I glitch in. Cause who wants to see your boy glitch in and it's taking forever?
2,000 years later. 6.5 hours later.
Bruh, are you serious? The back of the school dirt, the door was unlocked the whole time. Bruh. It's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? I don't know how you walk in with one leg, but an apple a day keeps the doctor away. That shit is facts. And not my right nut. Computer room, I love computers. I mean, who doesn't love computers? Who doesn't? Yeah, this school looks pretty good. I wish he did something towards the hackers instead of building a school, but like, you know, it's looking pretty good. Yo, what is that? Yo, this looks pretty cool. Looks pretty cool. What type of hillbilly fucking trailer house is this? What in the world? Oh, there it go. Yo, is this a fucking fish tank? Oh, this a window. This a window. Teachers over here picking on me. Like, what did I do to deserve this? Like, for real, bruh. Yeah. Is this shit even hitting? My shot's not even hitting. Come on. Damn, my shot's not even... Oh, damn, we got hackers on here. See, that's what... Are you fucking serious? Fuck! Are you fucking serious? I hate this fucking game. Got my damn body shaped like the letter C. Like, come on now. Alright, YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And turn off post notifications so you will never miss an upload from me. And also, I will be doing another tips and tricks video. I've been getting a lot of messages of people asking me to do another tips and tricks video. So, you know, probably a day or two after this video is uploaded, I'll upload a tips and tricks video. Maybe. Alright, it's your boy the Career Killer signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.